Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Wooby's Toy Box. This is Jay, and today I have 3 different type of Play-doh eggs for you. Normally, Sean and I do character eggs, but this time I decided to do something just a little bit more springy. So I have butterflies and polka dots and all things summer. So what do you guys think? So the first one I want to start with is this little guy. These were so much fun to make, and I have to tell you, if you guys have seen any of our other Play-doh eggs, these were much easier to put together. Okay, so let's check this out and see what is in here. Oh, it looks like we have some Season 2 Shopkins and a blind bag. Boohoo Onion. I can't remember her name, but I know this is Carrot Cake. Cornell Mustard. In pink, of course. And, oh, what is her name? I cannot remember the name of this. It's so funny when you don't do Shopkins for a while, it's so easy to forget their names. You guys will have to let me know. I can't remember. I have all of the other ones, but what I'm hoping for is a limited edition. So let's check this out and see if we got one. Nope, I think this one is Dishy Liquid. The next one we're going to open is a pink egg with white and orange polka dots. What do you guys think? I thought this one was pretty fun to make. Pretty simple. It's so funny what you find around your house to make circles and different patterns. Ooh, inside we have an Olaf egg. Okay, so it looks like we have, ooh, these are the Disney figural key rings. I think this might be, is it series 1 or 2? I can't remember. Well, anyway, I think that we have Belle, Tinkerbell, and maybe Cinderella. And I actually think we have a Jasmine too. All right, let's get this thing open and see. I see yellow. Sleeping Beauty. Oh, very cool. You know what I love about these is how bright their eyes are. So pretty. I don't think this one stands. Some of them do, but I don't think. Oh, she does. Cool. And next we have a Shopkins Microlight. Every time we open these, we seem to get a whole bunch of the cheesies. But today we got Cookie. Time for our next egg. Pink butterflies. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I used the little tubs of the sparkle dough. Can you guys see the sparkles? Super cool. Okay, let's pop this thing open. Oh, you know what? We have never opened one of these on our channel. This is the first time. So one thing I learned about these is if you look down here at the bottom, there is a little strip of like a greenish blue color, and this indicates what is in this capsule. So another one is brown, which I'm guessing is probably Sven. So I don't know what color this one indicates, but let's find out. And we also have a Lala Loopsy Tiny. I have never opened up either one of these on this channel. Let's check this out. Okay. What is this? Sort of looks like a little fish. It's a little chick. So it's easier to tell in the bag what it is. Because if you look right here, that doesn't really look like a chick, does it? Pretty cute though. Okay, and now we are going to check out this capsule and see what figure we have. You know, I have never gotten Hans. I would really like to have a Hans, I think. Oh, definitely this. This one, Frozen Anna, or Hans. Okay. Let's get this thing open. I've seen these open before, so I know they are incredibly hard to open. If you just break the tape, I think. Let's see. All right. Can you guys believe it? Oh my goodness. I cannot believe we actually got Frozen Anna. Okay, let's get her on her stand. Oh, that is so cool. You know, I would really like to try and make a Play-doh egg out of Frozen Anna. What do you guys think? Should we try that? Might be pretty difficult, but I'm up for the challenge. And that's all that came in it. So I guess this color right here indicates Frozen Anna. You guys, this itty bitty tiny little clump of Play-doh is all it took to make those 3 butterflies from that last egg. Just this little bit of Play-doh. Isn't it so cool what you can make out of just a little tiny bit of Play-doh? Okay, and for our last egg, this one is much heavier because there's a lot more Play-doh on it. I just made this little flower out of hearts. Show you how I did it. So that's all I did. And these are also sparkle dough. And then here's the little butterflies I made. Okay, let's see what we have in this egg. Looks like this one is a Rapunzel egg. Okay, so let's get this Rapunzel egg opened. Yay, Shopkins! Okay, so just so you guys know, we have a ton of these Season 3 Shopkins, and we literally have not opened any of them. We've opened some of the play sets, but not any of the 12 packs, 5 packs, or the baskets. I don't know what our problem is. So let's go ahead and open the Season 2. And then we will open the Season 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull out a limited edition, hopefully. Lisa Litter, that was the name of that last one. I couldn't remember. Lisa Litter. Isn't it funny? Oh, you know what reminded me of that? We just got another one. What are the chances of that, you guys? I would say that the chances are pretty good because you get a lot of duplicates in these. I wish you could just like pop the bag. Sometimes these are really hard to open. Oh, and this one is, you know what? I don't have this one. This is Fifi Fruit Tart. My first one. So yay, finally. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this season 3 opened. I'm so excited. I can't believe we haven't opened any of these yet. Summertime, you know, you just get so busy with gardening and take the kids to the pool, library, go to the park. We're pretty busy in the summertime. Okay. Oh, I love these baskets. How cute are these? Wow. All right, let's get these out and see what we have. So I do not know any of the names with any of these. Oh, how cute. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna look at the checklist after we open these and see if I can figure out which. This one feels much bigger. Whoa, that is so cool. Okay, let's figure out who these little guys are. So the phone is from the homeware section, and her name is Chatter, and she's also a rare, so that's cool. Then we also have Flappy Cap, and Flappy Cap is from the hats department, and she is common. Alright you guys, well that's all I have for this video. What do you guys think? What was your favorite character? I think mine would definitely have to be Sleeping Beauty. Well, if you guys want to see more videos like this, you can let me know by clicking on that like button. Until next time guys, bye!